Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not sending verification code emails. First, let's start with some quick checks. Always begin by looking in your spam or junk folder, as emails often end up there. Double-check that the email address associated with your Roblox account is accurate. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a brief wait of a few minutes can resolve the issue, as email delivery can have slight delays. Next, let's dive into your Roblox account and email settings. It's crucial to confirm your email address is verified directly within your Roblox account. If not, try resending the verification code from the platform itself. You might also want to temporarily disable any email filters or rules that could be preventing Roblox emails from reaching your inbox. Finally, quickly check if your email provider is experiencing any service outages. Moving on, let's troubleshoot your browser and device. A common fix is to clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try requesting the code again. If that doesn't work, try using a different web browser or even another device entirely. Make sure to disable any browser extensions or VPNs, as these can sometimes interfere. A simple restart of your device can also refresh network connections and system processes, often resolving minor glitches. Finally, if you've tried everything else, it's time to contact support. Reach out to Roblox support directly, providing them with detailed information about your account and the specific problem you're facing. As a preventative measure, consider adding Roblox's official email addresses to your safe sender list. In rare cases, if all other solutions fail, you might need to create a new email address to link to your Roblox account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.